Hello my friends, I want to show you something I think is invaluable. You really need to take advantage of this for your home. So what you're looking at here is my homeowner maintenance file, or my homeowner file. It's just a simple tote. I got it up at Walmart. The top holds some spare things like a remote for the gate. These are those little things that unlock the doors. This is for the fireplace, spare keys for the front of the home. I actually put one of my original keys in here and try not to use it. When you get your house, put an original key away and save it because those are best for making copies. These are special wrenches. Here we got a wrench for the garbage disposal. These other ones are for the doors. They came with the door hardware. And inside here, you will see a file for each appliance. There's the home warranty, and also stuff in here, receipts from any upgrades I do. So I really think you should do this. It doesn't cost you any time. All it costs you is for this little tote. And you can get one of these at Home Depot, Office Depot, Walmart, Target, your local retail store, off Amazon, and you should have one. So whenever you do any work, it is very simple. Open it up, open the appropriate file, stuff your receipt in there, done. Whenever you hire somebody to do the pre-emergent, clean your vents, whatever, put it in here. Then when you go to sell your home, this really protects the value because it makes you look like you're much newer a home. Buyers have a lot of doubt when they go to purchase homes, uncertainty as to what the history of the home is, and having made one of these makes them very certain in their choice to purchase yours. And amazingly, virtually nobody outside of my clientele makes one of these. It's practically free in terms of time and money invested. And it really helps preserve thousands of dollars in equity. Because you can create all the handouts you want, itemizing the maintenance you've done and the upgrades you've completed. But if they can open a file and see, oh, you indeed did do those, the receipts, the dates, everything, wow, you're going to create a lot of trust, and that trust goes a long ways in a transaction to sell your home. So go out right now, run down to Walmart, buy one of these totes, and create this for your own home.